Welcome to another episode on my walking robot Mirft2 based on the fischertechnik TXT controller running embedded Linux, and in this case the default firmware. Last time I did some experiments with capturing images using the default stuff, as well as FTO tools. And some things went horribly wrong. Since then I found out what has gone wrong, or should go wrong, whatever. What I am going to try is to do it like this. Point is that for some reason the camera frame didn't work, I thought so, and then I got very different images. Since then I found out that I need to go right byte, and here I have to change this into byte array. Then it will probably be alright. First of all, I have to check it though. So this is a Mirft2 Pi, not the other versions, which I will have to modify as well if this works. Let me first. These are from the discovery experiments, so I will remove them in order to get clean. What is here? Yep, lots of them. So I have to remove all these as well for the new stuff. It's gone. So this one is still modified, not saved. Now it's saved. So going to run this one, and since this is the community firmware, robot will walk. I will try to do it as nicely as possible. Can't avoid, probably can not able to avoid several mishaps, but we'll see whatever happens. Alright, so all set and done. Run. All connected. Good news. Yes, it works, and I shifted backwards. Wait, I make a mistake. That's not very good. I wanted to copy, but I have to copy it to this address, and it is still set for this address. So that is an oops. Then some images made, but I can't use them, so I will remove these. Yep. Alright, this is better. So this will have to go now. Alright, everything set and done. Once again. No. Go. Oh, in camera thread. Okay. I found out, by the way, that I'm absolutely not the only one experiencing these errors. So it is in the firmware. Okay, and I don't like this either. It works, but why doesn't it copy? Why doesn't it copy? I don't like that. So how many does it have now? So many. It prints, it gets a frame, and it should copy it. Okay, how many do I have? None. Really? Oh wait. I know why this happens. Happened before. Probably now it will. No, it's SHD. Yes. Once again, removing these. It looks like a Monday morning and it isn't Monday. Alright. Once again, once more, let's do it. Hopefully now I am getting a password check. That's not what I want. Yes, and this is what I want. And let me shift it back. Alright, quit. So now, yes, I have two. So using display from ImageMagick. Which one will I use? Let's just use 50. This is what I get. This is what I get, which is nice. Then the other one, ending on anyway 6. Then you get this. Yeah, the other one is a sharp image, one is a clearly moving image, because this one moves. But it works. Now onto RoboPie tools, and I will certainly ignore this because it works clearly. So onto RoboPie tools. Now what I realize is that the errors that I get may be caused by the use of this whole camera action stuff. So what I will do is disable the camera, and then I also should disable camera action calling, this one, and I think that's about the only one that I use. Yes, then alright. TXT stop online, no, not that one. So now I have disabled the whole camera sequence, and let's see how this is proceeding. If this works. How and if. I'm very curious about it. If this works, the byte. If this doesn't work, who knows. Once again, TXT images will not be made now. They will be named whatever name I will see. Some picture number will be written, or file name will be written. Good question, by the way, because no, I'm in the wrong window, because here I assign a complete name to the variable file name, but such a thing is not happening here. So I'm not quite sure what this will be. Okay, let me not copy it, but just see whatever is being written to disk. Run. Oh, how nice. So where does it go wrong? FiDev. And it has no attribute time. Here it's also called byte, I notice now, but it doesn't even reach it. FPS is not, wait, that's another mistake. Alright, one at a time. Set pixel format in CamInit. Just the same error as it already was. Which simply put means that I still can't use this. And on the forum I haven't had any feedback on the error for whatever reason. So this is how it is on the same thing. So ignoring the high, it's just a variable name. Then you get this, get high resolution or any resolution, and for me here it goes wrong already. So if I scroll up high, you get this, and it's less camera, and this is where it already goes wrong. So I don't even get to other stuff, and here it says import RoboPy tools, which FT RoboPy tools, which I just do. Fname prefix picked. So am I doing that by the way? I'm not doing that. Should I? Fname prefix is picked. Well, can't hurt. Let's see if I can copy this. And then go here. I don't expect it will work, but who knows. Paste. Yeah, it works. Alright. And then empty line there. And another try, who knows. Nope, nothing. It has no attribute time. Well, there are actually two errors. This one, which says something about this, and oh, this is not what I can do, and this is something in the API referring to this. So yeah, whatever. Since I can't go any further in the default firmware, I've rebooted into the community firmware, and I'm going to try again with OpenCV. Experience is that in the current firmware it won't work, but I don't mind right now. I just want a nice image here, and then when that works I want to dive deeper into getting a nice color. So first of all, let's get something work. And I have to use Python, not run Python, because it OpenCV only works with Python version 3. So let's see. I don't care. None. Ooh. Yeah, oh good. This is not good. It doesn't do a thing right now. And I know it works. And I know that it works on the default firmware, so doesn't it work on the community firmware? Very good question right now. Oh wait, that's true. I think I checked. I replaced the camera last time. So let's do that once again. Then I have to close these cameras and try something else. Or is that true? Not quite sure, by the way. But this doesn't work. That is one thing that is certain. Question is though, why? Let me try again. Alright. When nothing is being grabbed, that's no good. No good at all. Alright, yeah, time to change the cameras once again and see whatever happens. As it turns out, the other camera doesn't do a thing either. So I'm removing this one, put the original one in. And the oscilloscope image, well, doesn't really matter, but let's just put it back onto it. Another one. This one goes. This one here. Remains the fact that it didn't work, and I have changed the code a little bit. It still grabs a frame, but then it says if pick is true, then print get frame. So let's see if this if this works anyway. Object is not iterable. In other words, it is totally empty. Completely empty. What I can also do is if not pick, then say frame empty. Could just be. Invalid syntax. This is C, so what happens here? Oh, okay, then I do it different. False is not defined. Alright. New attempt. Yeah, well, frame empty, then it goes wrong, and you get a very empty byte. So I need to really do something about this firmware, otherwise experiments run very, very short where it comes to OpenCV, etc. Which is a shame, really. So let's see how I can go on. Right, it appears that other people have no problem at all using this version of the community firmware. Everything works for them. For me it is very clear that it doesn't work. And not just with the camera, with the motors just as well. And what I have here, it says counters begin, etc. And that is right here, 23101. And here set speed goes. So what I can do to make very clear that it passes this point, it says here motor speed. Well, that is actually here. So What goes wrong here then? That's an interesting one. Mode is initialized. I get these. Then I get even a threading error. Because here's nothing with the camera. That is strange. So now I'm looking at it, this has nothing to do with anything else but a motor. So one final thing then, behind this one, I just say, alright, print set distance set. Oops, that is not the intention. So, does it do anything? Do I get a set distance set? Set distance set here, and you could see that there's nothing happening. So whatever the motors do is not working. I can change this distance for a moment. Let's make it 12. Let's make this 12. In case it is a too short distance, but I doubt it. Nope. Well, there's definitely a problem here. But I don't really know what it is. I've contacted the community and I expect them to get back to me rather shortly, so who knows what it ends with. For now, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Then you get a notice of all my other projects as well. Follow me on Twitter, retweet and like. Follow me on Instagram and like. Leave comments, whatever you like. Well, not whatever you like, but leave comments. Please donate to keep the videos coming your way. More information at the start of this video and on my website, which is listed under this video, and this is going to be continued, no doubt. Bye bye.